Hi everyone, my name's Saif. I'm the CEO of OceanOps. We have created dynamic rerouting of ocean freight. We are ways for containers. 1 out of every 3 containers shipped arrives late. That's 40 million containers every year due to vessel delays, overbookings, and operational issues. And cargo owners take the hit with higher inventory costs and safety stocks, higher transportation costs, having to air freight supplies to avoid factory shutdowns, and physical loss or damage of the cargo. These used to be bananas, by the way. So in my 12 years of shipping line experience, I know that it's full of manual processes, especially in operations. You have to call or email someone to get anything done. Shipping lines also don't offer all the routing options. It's very limited. And combine that with shipping lines not actually knowing the final destination for 60% of the cargo, because it's only booked to the destination port and not to the final place of delivery. This means shipping lines can't offer more optimal solutions to their customers, and when they do, it's really only on an ad hoc basis to their key customers. And that's where OceanOps comes in. We want to make this an industry standard solution where we provide cargo owners and freight forwarders all the knowledge about their options to enable them to take control of their cargo. We're a global solution from day one, covering almost all the ocean routings and the trucking routings. As you can see, there are many ways to get to an inland destination, and we're going to show you all the ways. We've made our solution as simple and intuitive as possible. All we need to know is where's your cargo now? Is it stuck at a port or on a vessel that's been delayed? And where it's going to. Our unique algorithm will calculate all the rest of your possible and most optimal routing options in a matter of seconds. So we help our cargo owners and freight forwarders take control over their shipments, save time searching for solutions, save costs by finding those solutions faster, and even reduce CO2 by finding more optimal routings. But it doesn't stop there. We can help supply chain software suppliers with improving their ecosystem, and we can even help shipping lines improve their customer service. So our routing optimization platform is just the beginning. Our vision is to integrate with shipping lines to offer actionability at the click of a button. We also want to onboard trucking, rail, and barge vendors to offer end-to-end actionability. The market is huge. It's 105 million containers growing at 5% every year. And that represents a $12 trillion spend on global ocean transportation. We're going to drive growth through a hybrid sales strategy. We've taken a lesson from Slack with their touchless acquisition approach. Our UI is so intuitive that we don't actually have to spend much effort on customer onboarding. And we combine that with inside sales. We're going to drive awareness through blogging and posting on LinkedIn. I personally have over 20,000 connections in the logistics industry. And we're going to turn up at the key logistics conferences. These are the places where both the cargo owners and the freight forwarders are under one roof at the same time. We're also considering partnerships with digital freight forwarders and supply chain software providers in order to scale up faster. Our journey really started in August when we raised our pre-seed with Antler and onboarded our CTO, Vlad. In less than 1 month, we were able to get demo ready and start talking to customers about POCs. In less than 2 months, we got MVP ready, started 3 of those POCs, as well as being invited to pitch at Plug and Play's Hamburg launch event on the 1st of October. By the end of this month, we're going to soft launch our solution so that users can sign up globally. In the meantime, we've actually signed 2 more POCs that are going to start shortly, and we've also been invited to pitch at Lufthansa Cargo's Innovation Day at the end of the month. Our next step is to raise a round in order to deploy the learnings we've learned through the initial POCs. That's going to enable us to achieve 20 customers and an ARR of 250,000 euros which will enable us to raise a seed, prepare ourselves for our seed round next year, and in order to scale up. Our founding team is made up of myself as CEO, Vlad as CTO, and Yulia as COO. As a combined group, we have over 20 years of experience in the shipping industry, and Vlad has almost the same amount in software development. We are extremely excited to have Mary Straitmans on board as our member of advisory board. With his experience in digitalizing the maritime industry, as well as founding the world's first port and maritime accelerator. So, I'd like to invite you to connect with us. We are raising a round which we want to close by the end of December, and we'd love to explore further pilots with cargo owners. Thank you very much.